Hello, my name is Elite and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will explain the word vilify, its meaning, definition and the example. Vilify. The definition of vilify is: speak or write about in an abusively disparaging manner. The synonyms of vilify are criticize, attack, denounce, defame. Now let me show the example of vilify word in sentences are: many welfare opponents vilify recipients as lazy and immoral cheats and con artists. Men flatter her and then betray her. Her people embrace her and then vilify ours. Stephens has been vilified by his opponents in the press. She was vilified by the press for her controversial views. Please like, share, subscribe and support my channel. That's all for this video. See you in next video.